everybody, I'm Mavis and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, you're welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome again. So I'm going to show you how I did my definition crochet braids using a new technique that I saw someone else try. And while at it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's get on with this video. So I used 3 packs of definition crochet braids. I actually used 2 and like 3/4 of it, but if you have like a little bit of hair, you can use like 2 packs, pretty much. So I started by parting at the front and just making cornrows. As I said before, this is like a new technique I saw some YouTuber try. Yeah, so basically, as you can see, I'm just going to take a piece of definition braids of the braid and then just take a little piece of for the front. And then as you can see, one end I leave it out, then I start doing like cornrows with the other end. So basically, like it's like it makes it more natural. I don't have to like crochet to the edge of my hair, which like reduces the tension and all that, and the knots will not be seen, so it's gonna be just flawless. So I'm gonna do that for the rest of the front of my hair. Pretty much that's just the only detail that the only detail part of the technique that I decided to try, and I can say I really liked it. So I'm just gonna do that at the front part of my hair. Then basically, yeah. So this is how it looks like, those ends that I left out, and it's gonna help the hair to look more natural and seamless. Yeah, it also reduces the tension on the hair, yeah, while crocheting at the front. So next I'm just going to go in and start crocheting into the cornrows. For the sides, middle part and the side part, I do the invisible crochet method because it will help while styling, because I do not want the knots to be seen while styling my hair, pretty much. And so I'm gonna do that as I said, at the edges, the middle part and the side part, the places I'm going to really like play with the most while styling. And then as for the rest of the cornrows, the other parts that can be seen, really, I just go in with the normal crochet method, but I use tiny pieces. As I said before, I don't like especially definition braids, I don't like it very bulky. It doesn't look natural. It looks like someone just puts something on your head, and they're like, no, that is not allowed. So yeah, pretty much. So I'll do that for the rest of my hair, and at the back it's just gonna be simple. It's gonna be easy. I don't need to pack it up really, but just ensure it's well covered. So yeah. So for the back, as I said, the pieces are a little bit more thicker, but as you can see, I do not put them close together because it's gonna be very bulky. I put them like sparsely located? I don't. Okay. Yeah, but not so close together. But I ensure at the top it covers everything so that no one can see my cornrows while I'm wearing the hair. And pretty much that's it. Yeah. Then here, just going in and just, this is actually a razor comb, the best comb to just fizzle out the crochet braids, especially if you feel that like they're dense or they're packed up. I go in with a razor comb, then just, it's like it shades off extra bulkiness to give it like some, you know, to make it like, you know, or what can I explain it, to make it just feel natural and just a good shape to the hair. Yeah, pretty much. And that's how it is. When it grows a little bit older, then it's gonna look more natural. Imagine that. Yeah. So after I was done installing, then I styled it into a braided ponytail, but I can make a video upon request because I did forget to. But in the coming few weeks, I would be styling it and showing you how I style it. Yeah, pretty much. And yeah, that's just about it. Then I'm just gonna go through how to maintain it using a hairspray once in a while. Use a wide tooth comb while detangling it. Can be blow dried, but not on high heat. You can use hot water to curl it. Of course, when you're going to sleep, use a satin bonnet. It can last up to 4 weeks, and it's definitely washable. So yeah, I will keep you up to date, and pretty much that's it.
Been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years, it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved